how to fix Valorant disconnection error. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here first just type here device manager, and then just go to processors and update all those processors that you can find here, and also display adapters. Right click and update driver and network adapters. If you want to update, right click, update, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. And now let's move to the next step, background apps. Now if you want to turn off all those background apps here, just turn off the first option. And now the last step, type here services, and then scroll down, scroll until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC, go to properties, and here select automatic and click apply and OK, and then start your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.